Overall, I'd rate this resume is 7 out of 10. Yung buong resume niya is ATS friendly except yung area of expertise dito. Palitan mo na rin yung pangalan ng area of expertise, gawin mong skills. And then, yung skills mo rito is dapat hindi naka-column, kundi naka-separate using semicolon or comma. Yung role title mo should only be one. So, technical support ba or web designer? Paano kapag dalawa parehas yung ina-applyan mo? Ang gawin mo is, papalitan mo ng technical support pag yung ina-applyan mong role is technical support. And then, gagawin mo rin siya pag web designer. Stick to one role only, wag both. Maganda na may experience mo since may experience ka na. Then, isusunod mo yung education bago yung anything else na okay lang kahit ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Yung key achievements mo, i-rename mo siya into projects kasi mas fit yung content na nilagay mo rito pag project section. Then, sa professional experience, okay naman, kaya lang, dapat di mo na nilagay na OJT to. So, no need to specify. Just yung role mo and then yung company. Pag tinanong na lang sa interview, dun mo sabihin. Also, dapat unahin mo yung present na experience bago yung older. And then, yung bullet contents mo, perfect ka sa lahat. So, kompleto siya sa lahat. Meron siyang strong action verbs na ginamit with the responsibilities and then with the result. Dami ko kasing na-review yung resume na walang result. So, dapat ang ilalagay sa education is yung highest educational attainment. So, kung nakapag-college kayo, pwedeng yun na lang ilagay nyo. Huwag nyo na ilagay yung senior high kasi sure naman na nakapag-senior high kayo kung nakapag-college kayo, di ba? Then, yung last, additional information, okay. Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixresume.io.